All right, say no more. Now Inspire. Hey, look here, man. I knew I forgot something as soon as I uploaded the video. All right. Oh man, I had Unc over here, man. Unc fucking with me. All right, so this is the footage I left out. All right. One second. And we're going to see the Dracon make a cameo. All right. Let's go.
Сливной рукав. Вот когда газовоз приходит, то подсоединяется вот этим рукавом к газовозу, и газ сливается в резервуар.
В газовых заправках это самое уязвимое место. Как объясняют специалисты, при заправке газ – это система герметичная, так как находится под давлением, и утечка, соответственно, и взрыв возможен только если этот сливной рукав поврежден, и за ним не следили.
Когда говорят, причина взрыва – это что?
All right. Alright, let me grab my pointer right quick. I'll be back in 2 and 2. Alright, check. Alright. Let me see something. See if we can blow them up. Just a little bit right there. Do I want to do that? No. Keep it like that. Oh man, come on, bruh. Come on, man. I wasn't trying to do none of that. I wasn't even trying to do none of that right there. All right. Here we go. All right. See that? Right there. Matter of fact, let's slow him down. Give me 1 second. 2 and 2. All right, con. All right. So, man. Oh, man. Oh. Sensitive as mouse. Man, come on. All right, here we go. All right, so here we go right here. All right. There go my man's right there. All right, and he's huge. He's huge. Pop off now. Hey, you see that? Right up under their noses. Look at. Look at my man's now. Look at my man's now. Come on now. All right. So surely. Huh? Surely they did it. All right. Let's go back. I'm talking about surely. Surely they did it, man. There you go. All right. Look at. He's huge. Come on, let's go back. And my man's is clueless, right? All of them clueless, right? Look at him. He's huge. Big wing spinach. What I was gonna say, 2 and 2. I'll be back in 2. Where I get that from? Boy, y'all remember Love Connections. All right, we'll be back in 2 and 2. All right. My man's is huge, man. My man's is huge. One more time, y'all. This is the missing piece of footage. And I had to post it, right? Because he made a cameo. You see what I'm saying? My man's made a cameo. Look at him. Huh? And you know they do the same tight circles, all right, around the Dragon Caverns, formerly known as volcanoes. Same tight circles. Look at him. All right, y'all. There you go.